Ready to go to Bermuda, Kitty? Alright! Let's go to Bermuda! So we're okay. Gigi's okay, I'm okay, the boat's okay, the cat's okay.
I felt really bad that I was sick the first day. Couldn't do anything.
So Herb says, my God, you're going too slow. I'm worried about you.
It's Wednesday morning, and I think today we're planning to cross the Gulf Stream. Are you happy sitting there? So where are we? How's it going? What's today? Thursday morning?
Look at the sound, that's Herb said we're smooth. I don't know how many days at sea we've been out here, but 9 days. 9 days at sea, and how you doing? Yeah?
Tired.
A little tired? You ready to get off this boat? Not really? You can keep on going, huh? Oh, well, it's been wonderful having you aboard. And you'll always be welcome aboard, Valiant. Directly to Bermuda, it's about 700 miles from here. Okay, yeah. See if I can zoom in here on the chart plotter. Show you the sails. If I can make 125 miles a day, we'll get there in 6 days. Steak and broccoli stir fry. Not going to be able to sleep for more than like 10 minutes at a time. We got a squall. I accidentally jibed. One of the jib lines went in the water and got stuck in the prop. I haven't made a recording in a while because it's been quite difficult. The seas turned into this whipping mist. The compression post underneath the mast inside the cabin was bending. God, you know, being that terrified kind of puts things in perspective.
Position is 3-4 degrees. Vessel is disabled and drifting.
My engine I have an engine that's good around anchorages. It doesn't work. It isn't inconsistent, so it's overheating if we use it too much. It will not make it by itself, but it overheats, and we have another weather system, I assume, coming our way. I had a fall in a big wave, a sudden wave, and got lunched, and I got a pretty serious head wound, which seems to be healing itself. And that was complicated. I went to shock for a couple of days. This guy just doesn't have a clue. No wind. I got about 300 miles to go. Winds are picking up. I'm in the Gulf Stream.
And I just caught a tuna.
In the middle of Hurricane Irene.
That's the electrical box there on the dock. It's way submerged. Cleat got ripped right off the dock. This guy sank. It's really sad to see. Can't wait to show you.
It's beautiful. Look at this.
There she is, the mast for my Westsail 42 Paragon.
I think if people do the same thing at the same time, then you're able to bring it back and share that when you get back together as a group. And then share that. On my voyage to Portugal, he said that solitude is days at sea.
Yep. How long have you been at sea now?
Too long.
3 days at sea.
My deodorant is starting to fail. Need shower quickly.
So the majority of this must be a sailing trip. I'm really thrilled to be here. It's a great boat with a great captain.
You want to look like me? Use your sunscreen when you're young. You should be on the bottom of your rabbit hole. Take your rabbit, jump up through the hole.
Continuing adventures of Drake and Mo at sea. hand on his gun.
I know.
The whole time it's like, ooh, you're holding your gun.
Got these papers, just cleared in.
Yep.
You're okay?
Once he met us, once we came out, we're like, hi guys, yeah, this is the deal, and here's all the info, and really happy to meet you. Then they loosened up.
It's an interesting cruise.
Yeah. Oh.
That's a bracer.
Oh God.
Whose idea was this anyway?
Feeling down and low, you ain't got no
terrible.
place
The worst place I've ever been. Don't come. Do not come.
And you get the day off.
for that higher ground. No one else seems to be around.
New Zealand butter.
When you're lost, can't find your way. It takes so much just to get through the day. Trust that hope deep inside, yeah. And let that be your guide, yeah. So lift your head up high, with arms open wide. Let that voice inside set your spirit free.
laundry day. And then we'll go back to the boat, find out what the plan is. Not sure if we're pushing on today. What do you think? Yeah.
It's like a little oasis.
It's like a little oasis in the middle of St. Maarten. Hi.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
Wonderful. Thrilled to be here. How are you?
Nice.
It's been 3 years.
3 years?
3 years since I was last here.
What?
Yeah. I last left here 3 years ago. So
Wow.
Sailed to North Carolina. Hey there, sweetie. You like Lagoonies? It's a nice place, huh?
I'm glad we're right up the street.
Yeah.
I could totally come down here and just
Sure. Where the cruisers hang out.
Everybody wants to do the kangaroo. Everybody dip that pocket, do the things too.
Oh, 2012 on the French side in Paragon. See what happens next. Checked that place out yesterday and it seemed nice enough.
We're gonna have a party, inviting all our friends. We're gonna have a real good time. I hope it never ends. Makes me wanna say, didn't do 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 didn't do 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 do. Dancing and grooving till everybody was dancing and moving. You better believe it, baby. Dancing and grooving till everybody was dancing and moving. You better believe it, baby. Memories are made
this is it. We're just about to get on the airplane or walk into the airport. This is Princess Juliana International Airport in St. Maarten. Oh, look around. There's the taxi that we just took to get here. The airport here is pretty new. It was only built a few years ago. Prior to this enormous building, it just had this tiny little shack, and it was just very confusing to get around. But now they've got this huge organized thing. And we're about to get on the plane. You ready?
No.
Oh.